guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today we are at Crystal's house and we are making a recipe called ranch roasted potatoes.
She lost a bet.
Yep.
So here we are, and we've been waiting to do this for a while now.
Yep.
So let's get to
Alright,
it.
here we go. Alright, to start off with, we have here some potatoes that Jody and I have peeled and chopped. There's about 6 small potatoes here, so I'm going to put these on our greased baking tray into a nice flat layer. And I'm going to drizzle that with a little bit of oil.
The best part is I get to keep this dish.
Yep. Ooh, that was more than a little, but that's okay. We're just going to mix that around to coat them.
The more oil, the better, I say.
It's going to make everything else stick to it. We want them nice and coated.
Yep.
Alright. So next I have a packet of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning mix that we're going to be adding. And we're going to give that a mix and get them nice and coated. Alright, so now that they are well coated, I'm going to be putting them into the oven, which I preheated to 425 for about 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes. They're starting to brown, as you can see, and I've kind of flipped them and kind of mixed them around a little. And now we are ready to top them, and then they are going to go back in the oven for just a few minutes. But at this point, you want them to be soft and starting to crisp and basically most of the way done cooking. So then the next step is going to be cheese.
We love cheese at Recipes Mania.
I should have opened this already. Alright, so I'm using Sargento off the block extra sharp cheddar because it's the best.
I would not disagree with you there. Let's use the whole bag. So let me guess, the next is the bacon, right?
Yep, you guessed right. So I have bacon that I've cooked earlier and crumbled up. I have about 10 slices here. We love bacon here at Recipes Mania.
Yes, we
Bacon and cheese are like our favorite things.
Yes.
And we're going to sprinkle that over the top.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good already.
Alright, so last I have to go with our ranch theme here with our seasoning and everything. I have some Cool Ranch Doritos that I've crushed up and we're going to sprinkle that on.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good already.
Oh yeah, this is going to be good.
And sorry to tell you, but I'm keeping this.
I know, I'm a little jealous. Alright, this is looking good. Do you want me to put all this on?
Yes.
Alright, we're going for it.
Oh yeah. those of you wondering what that was, my caregiver is doing the laundry.
All right, now we are ready to go back into the oven for a few minutes, just kind of melt the cheese and everything, and we will see you right back here. All right, so we put it back in for another 10 minutes, and now we've had it out cooling for a little bit, and I'm gonna cut it up so we can do a taste test. It looks so good, I can't wait. All right, so I've cut a piece here, as you can see. It looks really good. And Crystal said I can do the taste test. Here we go.
But she can't take it home.
No. Mmm. Really good. You're gonna like it. Are you sure you want to keep it though?
Sorry, Charlie. This is mine.
Okay. Try this for yourself. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye guys.